Yeah, so this is the problem. The heavens are opening. Sunroof stuck open. What can we do? I thought that was a big pile of shit outside the garage, but it turns out it's just a plastic tray out of those Belgian seashell chocolate things. So that's a relief. Yeah. Talking of piles of you will probably be pleased to know that we can just totally ignore this thing today. Yeah. And instead concentrate on my one good Volvo. T10. Those disgusting fingernails. I've been at work all day, so that's why. Okay, so yeah, two T10 screws, two T10 screws. What you've got is a manual override. This is the motor here that controls the sunroof. So what you can do, hi guys, what you can do is get your flathead screwdriver out and being gentle with it, just turn it manually. Now obviously if the motor's totally seized or something like that, then you know there's a problem with the mechanism, you know, obviously it's not going to work. But if it's just, you know, the motor's not powering up, you know, if it's an electronic fault, you know, an issue with the switch, with the fuse, whatever, that will get you out of trouble. So now for the fix. So here's the sunroof switch here. Yeah, it feels like a soggy sponge. That's just, that feels kind of strong-ish, but that sort of, yeah, it's just got no bounce on it. It's just, yeah, you can tell something's not right in there. So, you know, call me crazy, but I'm gonna put my chips on that and say that's what we need to replace. So this now should pull out and the spaghetti falls out. Yeah, so whether it's the right thing to do or not, but I just pushed on it and that releases it. That's good enough for me, and nothing's broken, so obviously that's always a bonus. There we go, one switch. So there's a new old switch. It's not right, is it? I thought they were all the same actually, but no, it's not correct. Look the same on the front. Well, no, not really, but close enough. But the plug's different. I bet this is off an old 740 or something like that. Well, I guess that's goodbye then. But wait, there's more. So we've got red, black, blue, blue and yellow. Red, black, 2 blue, some yellow. So yeah, I mean it couldn't be easier really, could it? The wiring's the same. Let's do some chopping, I guess. Okay, so you join me here at the workbench. We've got some things, some tools. Yeah. Oh. Right, this plug might be useful for something. Probably not. So, obviously, if you're not using a proper crimp, use a decent set of side cutters, and I'm not doing that, so. Need to be a little bit careful, because if I keep making mistakes, I'm going to run out of wire. I always end up having really dirty fingernails when I come to film things close up with my fingernails right in the lens. It's always when they're like black. Apologies for that. Hopefully you're not watching this whilst you're eating your dinner. I'm going to move this stuff because I feel like the camera's trying to concentrate on it. Focus, I think, is the correct word. About there. Yeah, just so I can save this plug. Yeah, I was looking for somewhere to put the camera to film, and then I noticed there's also like a kind of workbench here as well, so I think that should do well. Yeah, I've decided in case there's a problem and I need to disconnect them, I'm not going to go female to female connector. I'm going to go male to female. Where is a female? So I'm going to use those two, I'm going to plug them in, so at least they can be unplugged. So if it does break, at least in future I can just disconnect and reconnect. Yes, I'm crimping down connectors with water pump pliers or water pipe pliers. Hear the thunder. So yeah, the good thing is as well, not only is this a workbench, it's even got a roof as well. I could probably fit another 940 in here. It's so big. The heavens are opening. Thunder, lightning, sirens are going off. It's chaos. There it goes, last one done. Right. Oh no. Close. It worked. Damn. And so we've saved about 17 minutes by having it switch operated instead of manually screwdriver operated, so winner.